Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy and I am sharing delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. Now today's recipe was inspired after a conversation I had last Sunday with a sweet lady in my church. She was telling me how she made salmon patties. And I thought to myself, I have never made a salmon patty. So this I'm going to make for the first time with you. I'm excited to share this with you. Thank you so much, Janet, for this inspiration. So let's get started. Okay, I just want to real quickly go over the ingredients. I'm using this pink salmon that's in a bag. The recipe I found called for 15 ounces and these are 5-ounce packs. So then I have 2 eggs, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, a third a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. I've diced up about a half of a cup of a bell pepper, and then I'm going to chop up some green onion as well. Okay, so I've just emptied the salmon into this bowl, and then I'm just going to dump everything in. Got my eggs, my breadcrumbs, my Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. And I'm going to mix this up. Add my peppers. I remember her saying that she put peppers and onions in hers, so I'm interested to know exactly her recipe, but this is what I found, so we'll see. All right, so next I'm going to chop up my green onion. All right, I'm going to save those ends, and then I'm just going to chop up this green onion. Okay, so I'm going to just put my green onion in, some cracked black pepper, and I'm going to add some Old Bay seasoning. Just gonna put a little bit of that in there, and just a pinch of salt. I feel like there's probably some salt in that salmon. All right. I'm going to make some patties. I really don't know what size, but I think that size looks good. Okay, we got 6 patties. All right, so I'm just going to take these patties that I've pattied out and place them into a hot cast iron skillet that I put some olive oil in. I'm going to let these fry up for maybe 5 minutes on each side. I don't know, I'm going to play it by ear a little bit. I'm only going to be able to get 4 in here at a time, but then I'm going to transfer them to the oven and keep them warm. Fry them up in batches. Okay, so now let's flip these bad boys over and check these out. Oh yes, nice. Okay, so I've placed them on a sheet tray I've lined and sprayed with nonstick spray, and I'm just gonna put these in my oven at 200. I think they're pretty much done, but I want to keep them hot because now I've got to make my sauce. Okay, so I want to show you how to make a delicious remoulade sauce, also known as tartar sauce, but it has a little bit of a kick to it. This is going to be delicious on our salmon patties. Okay, so to about a half of a cup of mayonnaise, I'm just going to squirt about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I'm going to squirt some sriracha. Adds about a tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, maybe 2 tablespoons. These are actually more like teaspoons, so that's probably good. I'm going to add a little bit of this Old Bay as well. I'm going to juice some lemon juice in as well, about a tablespoon or so. And then I'm going to chop another green onion and put it in as well. Actually, I think I'm going to go to my fridge and I think I'm going to get another green onion. All right. That makes me feel much better about life. I'm just saying, that's probably enough. All right, now I'm just going to stir this around. And this is our sauce to go over our salmon patties. Oh, you know what? Let me sprinkle in some salt. I already did the black pepper, didn't I? I can't even remember, but let's do some more. There we go. Okay, the salmon patties are done, and I just want to say they do look pretty good. They look pretty delicious, I will say. And I really enjoy being able to share these recipes with you, try new things with you. That's a lot of fun for me. So let's give these a try and see which one of these salmon patties do I want. I'm gonna go with this one, I think. And then of course, gotta have some of this delicious sauce to go right on top. That looks pretty good. Okay, so here we go. The moment of truth. I'm excited to try this. Wow, delicious. That would be so good with a salad. I'm excited about this salmon patty. I really hope that you give this a try. I have enjoyed being with you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.